it's your girl Pamela CEO, and I'm back with another video. As you can tell by the title, today is going to be a hair review, and I'm going to be installing and reviewing this V-part unit from Alipearl Hair. Thank you so much to Alipearl Hair for sponsoring today's video. So like I said, this is a V-part unit, definitely giving scalp. Okay, so yeah, this hair is 100% density, and I did cut some layers into it to give this body wave look, and it is definitely giving body. This is body wave hair, and it definitely holds an amazing curl. As you can see, I've been combing it and everything, and it's still holding the curl, so I'm really happy about that. But yeah, I'm not going to do too much rambling. Make sure you guys like this video, make sure you guys leave me some comments down below, and make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you want some more content from me. All the details you need to know about this hair will be down in the description bar. So yeah, without too much rambling, I'm going to go straight into the install. If you want to learn how to install a V-part unit, just keep on watching. Hey guys, so I know I already gave you guys a little intro, so we're just going to jump right into it with what we are doing today. As you can see, my hair is blow dried out. I feel like it's gotten thinner since the last time y'all seen it, but whatever, we are working on her. Okay, so as you can tell by the title, today we are installing a V-part wig by Alipearl Hair. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got in the mail and everything. So this is the box that it came in. I already took a peek at it just to make sure I received the correct item. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and get started because as you can see, I need my hair done. And yeah, so I have always worn U-part wigs. I used to wear I used to make my own U-part wigs back when I was doing wigs. That's back when I was doing hair and everything. So I'm super excited to go ahead and try this one out. So I'm gonna show you guys everything that came in the box. So of course we have our V-part wig, and I believe this is I don't know if it has a, let me show you guys the wig last because that's what we're going to be working with. But in the box it also has this band. This isn't a lace wig, so we don't really need this, but it has an elastic band. They gave me a little edge brush. We have this. What is this? Okay, we have a nice little silk head wrap, which is definitely going to come in handy. We have some nude colored wig caps, so yeah, definitely need some of those for later on. And then they gave me some lashes, and yeah, it's just this little card that talks about how to wash your wigs. And yeah, like I said, the brand is Alipearl Hair. Everything you need to know about what I have and the brand and everything will be down in the description bar, so please check the description bar if you guys want to know the specs of this hair and some more details about Alipearl Hair. And then lastly, they have this silk bag for me to keep my wig in. Okay, so if you don't know what a U-part or V-part wig is, it's pretty much a hair, it's pretty much a wig that has a space for leave out, which I really do like because like I said in another video, I'm like really looking more towards like the natural type of look. So having a wig that I can have my hair out on the top is a really great thing for me personally. So yeah, like I said, I got this wig. This is 22 inches, and I believe this is supposed to be a body wave. It looks so curly, literally bouncy as hell. Like, look at these curls. Well, I do want to wear curls, so this is gonna help me. So yeah, like I said, it has the part right here, the opening, and so we're just gonna cut. Hopefully this is focused. We're just gonna cut this so that you can have the opening right here. So as you can see, my hair hasn't been combed yet, so I will be doing literally from start to finish with you guys. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut down the middle of this where the two parts are stuck together. And on the inside it has these clips to keep it secure on your head. So it has literally like 5 clips, so all these clips are going to help keep it secure. So it's literally just going to be like a sewing without the sewing part. So yeah, I'm super excited about that. This is 22 inches. I just pulled it out the box. As you can see, my hands are running through it so smoothly. So yeah, I'm not going to do too much more rambling. I'm going to go ahead and section off my hair and start coil rolling and let you guys see that process. But yeah, like I said, it also has an elastic band in the back, which is going to be great, just to make sure this is kept secure. It also has some more combs on the side, so this is definitely going to be super secure on your head, and it also has those adjustable straps in the back. So yeah, I'm really excited. Ooh, and at the top, this is like a more mesh. If you guys can see, this is like a little bit more mesh compared to the lining in the back of the wig. So that's going to be really great for my hair, really breathable. And as you can see, it's literally a V. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on my head so I can like pretty much measure and map out where what part to leave out and then what part to comb roll up. So we're just going to go ahead and get started on installing this really pretty hair. So yeah, let's start.
When I look at you, but you remind me of
I just kind of put it on my head so I can like make sure I have the correct measurements for how much leave out I'm gonna leave out. So as you can see, it's like sitting right on the part that I had made on both sides. So literally not a lot of leave out at all. You just want to make sure you have enough leave out to cover up the track. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. And put the wig to the side. So now that we have this section out, I'm going to be sectioning out my edges, and then I'm going to be comb rolling my hair. So I'm gonna let you guys see all of that. So yeah, I do want this to be a super protective style, so I'm gonna be comb rolling it. If your hair is short enough, you can literally like pull it back like something like this and then go ahead and put the wig over top and you'll be good. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and comb roll it, so I'll see you guys in a second.
Because tonight will be the night that I will fall for you.
But yeah, like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and comb roll this up and I'll get back to you guys in a second.
Look inside your heart, is there any room for me? I won't have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee, because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever feel me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair up, it's only out of fear. You'll find me ugly and one day you'll disappear, cause what's the point of crying? It was never even enough. Did you ever want me? Was I ever good enough? Good enough. Put boys away up, put boys away up. He doesn't see us. You're not looking at me, boy. Put boys away up, put boys away up. He doesn't see us. You're not looking at me, boy. Good enough, good enough, good enough, good enough, good enough.
He say that I'm good enough, tell him I think about shit that I should've known. So I tell him it's one of me, he making fun of me. His girl is a bum to me, like that boy is a cop. Saying he home, but I know where he at. Like, but he blowing her back. Think about me, cause he know that it's fat. And it been what it been. Calling his phone like yo, send me a pin. Ducking my shit cause he know what I'm on. But when he hit me, I'm not gonna respond. But I don't sleep enough without you, and I can't eat enough without you. If you don't speak, does that mean red through? Don't like sneaky shit that you do.
Put boys away up, put boys away up. He doesn't see us. You're not looking at me, boy. Put boys away up, put boys away up. He
Okay, so obviously I know I look ridiculous right now, but I did just finish cornrowing everything. Not the neatest, definitely not world's neatest cornrows, but I do think this is pretty secure. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and try the wig on. Just gonna kind of comb it out a bit. Like I said, all the specs for this wig will be down in the description bar. I do love how soft it is, like just straight out of the package. Okay, just making sure it still fits perfectly, and it does. So oh yeah, all these clips are gonna go right here. Ooh, this fits really good. Oh yeah, wow, this is literally perfect. Yeah, and I think I have a standard size shape head, so this is literally perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and take out the leave out part and just kind of blow everything out, and I'm actually gonna go ahead and style it for you guys. But as you can see, this is a very like simple and fast install. It took me like maybe like 15-20 minutes to cornrow. Like, this is a super fast install, so all I have left to do is flat iron the top and do my edges and kind of style the unit. So I'm really happy about how quick this is gonna be. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'll come back and show you guys the end result. Also, this wig is 180% density, which I think is really good. I just blowed it out and it is just super full, and I can't wait till I style this so I can just see how natural it looks on me. But yeah, this is 22 inches and it comes literally, if you guys can see, like down to my waist. And yeah, I'm about to cut a couple layers in the front and then curl it and style it. And yeah, but 180% density for like a sew-in type of look is perfect. So definitely recommend getting this density if you are thinking about getting this unit. Hey guys, so I am back and this is the finished look. So like I said in the beginning, this is the Alipearl 180% density V-part body wave wig. As you can see, I do have leave out on the top, which I do love. I just cut some layers in it so I could get this really bouncy style. As you can see, like the comb just glides through the hair. I'm actually really loving this hair. I purchased like bundles from Alipearl before, so this wig is like nothing short of amazing. Like, I would definitely be buying this again and maybe get some color or something in it. But yeah, like I said, like you can literally see just the quality is amazing. And I also learned, like, really to get this really nice, like, effortless curl look, you definitely need to make sure you put layers in your hair. I was struggling, so we both learned something today. Okay, this is the end result. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys learned something today. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. And like I said earlier in the video, all the details you need about this unit and where to purchase your own unit will be down below in the description box. So please check the description box if you have any questions and want to purchase this unit for yourself. It's literally just gliding into my hair, and it literally looks like a fresh sew-in. Like, Did my edges and everything. Let me show you guys the back. This is 22 inches. And I'm 5'3", so I feel like it's a really nice length on me. Like I did say, I cut a couple of layers in this, so yeah. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. I hope you guys like this install. Let me know if you guys have any questions down in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video.